My name is Dipankar Maiti. I'm currently studying in Mallareddy Engineering College, which is in Maisamaguda after Kompally. So there I am studying. I have selected the department called IT Information Technology. I was given that through the MSET ranks. So I got selected there and I started pursuing my BTech in there. So first from first year to I'm in third year now. So it was good. So I got the information through my college. Last year, I remember at around June or July, they had come to my college as there was Corona. They had given the presentation online. So it was a very good 2 day seminar, I suppose. So it was very impressive and very interesting. By listening to them, I got very provoked about my career so that I could do more because from last years first year and second year I was not much interested in IT. I have no interest on programming, but after listening to them that there is good opportunities afterwards if you follow proper instructions of some mentors and instructors, you get placed very well. So therefore I called up the respected sir and he guided me and but there were two things like they have given course for higher studies and for career lab. So I chose the career lab thing. I went through uh, the mentor call and it was very helpful and I've written the test that was very interesting and it asked many questions about myself and I answered that questions and I knew about what should I do in the coming years. So it was very interesting. The test was very interesting. It was very helpful when she called me and I asked, I want to do coding. I want to learn more about coding basics. So she told me it is good to choose the competitive programming course. And so I choose that and I learned competitive programming because of her. Last month I started. So in 1 month I got 2 stars. And so like that, even I was given basics for C++ and Python basics. So I learned many basics from the start. I've learned and HTML basics also. So it was very good. The call was good and the instructions she gave me was very good. First, I was given the competitive programming course. It had around 6 modules. First, for how to code in an optimal manner. So the basics from there to somewhat advanced questions. And there was basics of C++, all from very basics, how the compiler works, and to the programming it properly. I had the Python also, Python basics, how to write the Python at the start, like the starting hello world programs, and till from there to writing big pattern programs which are very difficult. I understood that. And then HTML. HTML was kind of passive, but I learned through the questions, so it was good. And then these were the main. I participated in these main three to four courses. Other two courses I was not that active, but I've done these three very properly: computer programming, C++ basics, and Python basics. I was given 3 choices like Python data science and Python for ML and Python for some other. So I choose the data science one, Python for data science, because it covered most of all the, again, it covered all the basic Python questions which were there to me to solve, like no help, only I was given the questions one by one and one video for it. So I was like very determined to it to solve many questions there, around 20 to 30 questions, basics to hard. So I solved many questions there as in the advanced course, and I completed it last month only. I got the certificate, but I'm still doing 2 projects in that. They have given 1 or 2 projects, so I'm trying to do that projects, and I'm still pursuing the advanced course. I had attended the starting 2 webinars mostly because after that I got the Gmail, but I was not so active. I was doing programming and I had semester exams. So the first 2 webinars were about how to write your own, describe whatever work you have done. So that webinar was helpful, and I learned how to crack internships from Arpita ma'am. She was the host of the webinar. She was she gave some effective advices. So I learned from her very much. There were many people, like in a month, they used to call and check around that is everything fine or is there you want to help. I particularly don't know the names, but they were very supportive. They used to call me and they used to ask, is everything fine? Is there anything problem? Is there any problem? So they were very supportive, and even the profile builder email ID was very good. Whenever I used to give any question, they used to answer me back in 1 to 2 days. So their support was very valuable and very good. I would like to say if you are really interested, then you start from the beginning, because I started from the third year, so it was kind of less. I didn't got that much time, so I would suggest them if they're really interested, they should start from the second sem or the third sem. They'll love this, and they can do internships in the very beginning. Like in the second year, they could do good internships. They would get good internships, and if they have completed these nice courses, and I would say them that if you're interested in this, you should start from the very beginning. So I would give that suggestion, because I didn't start at first stage. Like I missed my 2 years for the like I was not aware of how to go through this in this path. So I would suggest them to start from very beginning. That would be my suggestion.